Hey everybody out there, this is Jeff from QualityDoor.com. Just wanted to hop on the line today to discuss Catalog to Quote. Before you view the tutorial below, we just wanted to tell you a little bit about the proprietary software. So we built Catalog to Quote for our customers to be able to go on the manufacturer's price catalogs, configure and build the product that they want, and submit it for a request to quote. This allows customers to choose from millions of SKUs that normally wouldn't be on websites and e-commerce sites. It also allows us to interact with our customers on a different level and give them the tools that they need for their jobs. Our goal is to make commercial door hardware purchasing easier and more efficient for our customers using technology. So what is Catalog to Quote? Catalog to Quote are interactive price catalogs that allows a customer to interact with the catalog, build, submit, and request a quote. We're going to take you through a tutorial and show you our Sergeant Turbo catalog, how you can use the program, and how it could better assist you procuring indoor hardware. So if you're on our website, QualityDoor.com, you'll see on the right-hand corner, we have Catalog to Quote. Simply click that. What that'll do is take you to the Catalog to Quote page. You can look through a brief overview of how it works in 4 easy steps. So you select your page, you select what product you're looking for, and then you build a SKU. This is how you build the SKU, which will take you through, and then you request a quote. So it's really that simple. Let's take a look at the catalogs we have so far. Right now we have a Sergeant Turbo Ship catalog. By Q1 in 2024, we'll be coming out with the Allegiant catalogs such as Schlage, Allegiant Pro Express, and Allegiant Fast Track, as well as Corbin Russwin, Yale Flash Ship, and some other catalogs. You select your catalog, and you'll always come to the table of contents page. When we built the interactive price catalog, what we wanted was the ability to go from line to line, product to product very quickly. So we created a quick link for the category links. So let's go in and build an 8800 series exit device. So you simply click right on the build SKU area and you select your options. So LFIC, removable core, we'll say we want a multifunction bar, F for 36-inch rail, US 32D, and we'll make it a right-hand reverse. We'll throw in a quantity of 5 and add to quote. And as you can see, as you're adding to quote, the request to quote up at the top will add the products that you're looking for. What we did here is we added quick links in to allow you to quickly go into board locks from exit devices. This is an 11-line lock. We want to build a 10X lock. So we'll come in, we'll build the SKU. We'll say we need a request to exit. If you remember, we were using 60 LFIC, Sergeant, removable core. We'll check a storeroom function, L rows, L lever, US 26D. Let's say we need 10 of these. We have 10 of these on our job. From here, let's say we have some mortise locks on the job. Again, same thing. You go through, it's a very intuitive program, very quick. Once you know how to use it, you can request a quote pretty quickly. So we'll go LN rows, L lever to match the cylindrical locks, 32D, select a handing option. And we'll say we have 3 of those. Let's go through and just build one more exit device. So we'll go into exit devices. Let's say we have an electrified exit device. So we have electrified access control in the building, and we want to build one of these. And we don't see these on the website. So the great thing about this catalog, the interactive catalog, is there's millions of SKUs like we were saying before. You could come through the interactive price catalog and you could build anything that you need. Build, submit for a quote. Once we receive the quote, you'll have a quote within 24 hours. So it's a great tool, not only to learn the product, because the interactive price catalog directs you and organizes what you have to pick and how you have to pick it. So I'll go through and say, oh, We forgot the request to exit. We forgot the electric latch retraction. And let's throw a cylinder dogging on there and a fire rating. So we're going to add that to quote. And as you can see, our quote's tallying up on the top right-hand corner. We click that. And now we're at the phase where we have to put in our information. I'm going to cheat here and copy paste some of the information that I already had. So it goes fast. If you have those cookies on your web page, on your computer, it'll fill that in automatically with Google for the shipping as well. So this feature over here by Q2 will be up. This is called Send a Mobile. And what this does is it'll send you a text message alert that we received your quote. And then from there, most importantly, what will happen is once we send you your quote, the quote will actually send to your text message as well and CC your email. So if you're on the fly and you're working off an iPad, a MacBook, or a phone, and you need to purchase this door hardware quickly, you'll receive a link to check out. You'll be able to click that link right on your cell phone and purchase right from your cell phone very quickly. So that's called Send a Mobile. That's a patented system that we developed. So we'll put in the address, the products. So this is a great screen that we built. You can go through the products and let's say, you know what, on our pricing, on our bulk order, we need to increase the quantity. We need to take this down to 6. It's just a little review. And what you do is now you just send the request. You'll receive an email that we received your request to quote, and within 24 hours, you'll have a quote request. So that's Catalog to Quote. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Let us know if you have any other questions. Our email is sales@qualitydoor.com, and you can follow us on our social media platforms and our YouTube page for new videos and updates. Thank you and have a great day.